I just picked up a powder coating machine and built my own oven. Alright, so the powder coating machine was from Harbor Freight. It's probably not the best, but I'm going to go ahead and use it, see how it works. It's going to be my first time. I literally just opened up the box, and I'm kind of using the box as a powder coating box. As you can see, I got the hubs for the Mustang in it. And the oven is actually from a local thrift shop. It is a Hamilton Beach toaster oven, not a sponsor. They were selling this one for 15 bucks. So what I did was gut it. It had a feature where you could have a rotisserie. So I used that rotisserie hinge and put a hook on it. I have to put a lock on the door so I can stay open. This oven does go up to 500 degrees or 450, and we really need 400. So hopefully this oven will work pretty well. It is, I basically took it, turned it sideways, and put the feet on the bottom, and then just painted the bottom black. So I have my air compressor hooked up, because you'll need one of those. And it's regulated down to about 10 psi right now. Basically that's going to hook up the hose to the end of here. So you do need to do this in a nice well ventilated area. So I'll go ahead and open up the garage door, and I have the fan turned on behind me, hopefully blowing out most of whatever the garbage is in here. And I guess let's go ahead and get started setting it all up. Alright, so the hub is now in the oven. I'm going to have to come up with a better way of moving that, just because I can't get my hand and it in the oven really at the same time to work well. So I have it on 20 minutes, and I guess now we just wait.
The next day.
Alright, so I went ahead and left the spindles to cure overnight, just kind of sit out. That way they also cooled down a lot. So I guess let's check them out. I don't know if the powder was just bad, because it is really old powder, but the copper vein didn't really come out in all places. It could have just been my oven, which was having a little difficulty staying around 400. I had to kind of set it at 450 once the parts were inside to maintain 400. I still think they turned out really good. So yeah, it's not the biggest deal that the copper vein didn't really come out. They're not going to be a part you see that much or really at all. It's just kind of protect them, give it a little fancier class up, and it got a chance to, you know, try out powder coating for myself. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. You'll see those spindles pop up here in an upcoming Mustang video, going over what we have gotten so far and where we're heading. So be on the lookout for that, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here checking out this channel. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.